Hi! Welcome to my first and hopefully last no intro video. I filmed this eating rice paper rolls for 24 hours on 29th November and today it's 13th December, and you know why I haven't been posting these past few days? It's because I've been trying to figure out this video's intro. And I'm serious, I've made 8 to 9 rough intros and I do not like any of them. I almost finalized on this one intro, but I still wasn't completely satisfied, and as someone who is very particular about their video's intro, a bigger challenge than a food challenge was to do a no intro video. So today I woke up and I chose violence. Well, not really, I just decided I'm gonna go ahead and post this video with no intro because I just need to fuck it for once, and here it is. Count the number of times I said no intro. Okay, I really needed to get that out. So for breakfast I made baked apple pie and banana rice paper rolls. I peeled and sliced my apples and bananas and then sprinkled brown sugar and cinnamon on them. I wet my rice paper and then put my apples in it, rolled it and then set aside. I made 2 rolls with apples, 1 with banana and 2 with the combination of apples and banana. In a glass baking dish, I spread some coconut oil and then placed my rolls in it. Topped with some more coconut oil and more brown sugar and then popped in the oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Fun fact, I've never had apple pie ever in my life before, not even apple crumble, which I've been seeing all over the internet these past few days. And yeah, I'm gonna make them very soon because I really want to taste them. These rolls smell so good, like so good. Literally my whole house was smelling warm and cinnamony and just really good. I brushed these rolls with some tahini on top to sort of cut off the sweetness a little bit and also add some dimension, and then served. Well, I had all 5 of them, but you know, like putting 3 at once on a plate. Those rolls were so freaking good. Oh my god. If you're thinking of making them, try the apple ones. The banana one was good, but the apple they took it for me. Usually I'm somebody who'd pick a banana over an apple, but here the apple ones, they got so soft, but they had that crunch. And with the tahini, oh my god. You know, the reason I even challenged myself to eat rice paper rolls for an entire day is because of my obsession with all season rolls. I don't think I can ever get enough of them. I peeled and sliced a radish, a carrot and more veggies. I wet my rice paper and then put rice vermicelli noodles as the base, then radish, carrots, cauliflower, green beans, basil and sesame seeds. I roll this up and repeat it for the next few rolls. For the sauce, my favorite one, I mixed a tablespoon of peanut butter with a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of gochujang, and then some salt, some pepper, a splash of hot water. This is the sauce and that's it. My all-season rolls are ready to eat. By the way, I took a shower after breakfast and literally all the color got washed out. But good thing I was gonna go out for a haircut, so I also got my hair colored. And this is how my hair looked when I came back. I also got fringes in the front, which I think look really cute. And yeah, there's not a drastic change, but I like it. Also, just a random question, which color do you think would look good on me? I'm just asking, okay? Like, I'm not gonna dye my hair again. I'm not gonna do it, but yeah, just asking. For dinner, I made pesto pizza rolls. This is what I want to call them. In a blender, I added a handful of basil leaves, added garlic, almonds, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and blended roughly. I wanted it to have a gritty texture and not completely blended into a paste. To a hot pan, I added some olive oil and sauteed half a tomato, frozen red and yellow bell peppers. When you saute them, you get an almost jammy, spready consistency, which was desired in this case. To a wet rice paper, I added the pan-fried bell pepper tomato mix. Then I added a few slices of cheese and rolled her up. I took another soaked rice paper, put the pesto mix on it and spread all over the center. Then I put the first roll in the middle and then rolled this up. Double lined with pesto in between. Perfect. I pan fried these in oil for 7 minutes each side till they were crispy and beautiful. I also put some ketchup on them while they were on the pan so that, like the ketchup gets into the rolls and almost gives it a barbecue flavor. Keyword almost. Tell me that does not look amazing. Like, I dare you. The rice paper has a pull, and the way all of this just comes together is chef's kiss. Just trust me when I tell you, you need this in your life. If you try it, there's no going back after that. It's so good. And that's my 24 hours done of eating rice paper rolls, and I'll see you soon with hopefully an intro included video. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.